Obvious that no love, diamond life, too tough, fast lane.
Don't need a gun. One channel. It's ready to slide. Winch. Straight in here. Give some power because I've got it wound right up. Plugs into our Anderson plug. Same one we use for the caravan. It's clamped through the gunnel. Sits up in here, clamps it down to the rack. We just drilled a hole straight through, so you don't need to use the straps, it's just clamped on. Take the nut off. Out of the gunnel. See, that just goes in, sits down and clamps it on. Saves you having to strap it. Might change these nuts for a nylock nut too, because I always worry about the vibrations that they're going to come out. We bought this boat loader because we don't have room for the outboard, where this system comes where you can obviously put this trolley and rack and it goes up with the boat. It saves heaps of room just being able to send it up. It just sits in the gunnel as well and clamps on. Well done, that's a good system. Yeah. First time taking it off actually. We done well.